Hi! It's Cutie Berry. For today's vlog is Best Beauty Products 2025. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko. So, let's start. Okay, number 1, Shiseido Spots Cover. Best concealer to sa mga bruises, dark spots, acne marks, and scars. Next is this Rotolize for contact lens to prevent dryness and redness. Next is this Biore sunscreen. If you're lazy to put your sunscreen, you just spray na lang. Ganon. Pwede rin siya here pag tamad ka. Diba? You can just spray it, this Biore sunscreen. SPF 50. Orihiro Night Diet Tea and Orihiro Night Diet Beauty Tea. Next is Can Make Marshmallow Finish Powder. You can feel na ang premium ng quality ng finish powder na to. As in, pag touch mo lang, super soft niya sa skin. Premium siya talaga. Yan. Super pretty, super premium feels, and one of my best beauty products. Can Make Marshmallow Finish Powder. Next is Can Make Metal Look Mascara. Ayan, super fine niya lang. Sobrang ganda na itong mascara na to. Best talaga siya. Best for me. Can Make Metal Look Mascara. Next is Mini Haifu. So, pwede ka mag-haifu kahit nasa bahay ka lang. It comes with instructions. Yan. And this natural plant extract, yung gel na nilalagay before ka mag-haifu. And this haifu, yan. Ganyan siya. This. Madali lang siya gamitin. Ganun lang. Meron siyang haifu, may RF din. Mini haifu. Yan. Meron na siyang kasamang adapter. Ang ganda. Ang galing. And kahit nasa bahay ka lang, makakatipid ka dahil may mini haifu. Next is BB Love Retinol C. I apply retinol sa face using retinol serum, you can drink it. Nakalagay sa kanya, retinol 1000 for inner beauty. Biodance product. I love Biodance facial sheet mask. Pero naubusan na kasi ako. But I use this Biodance Collagen Gel Toner Pads. So, ganyan siya. May pangkuha na siya. Yan. Biodance Collagen Gel Toner Pads. Yan. Apply mo lang siyang ganyan sa face. 3 pieces. Lagay mo sa face. 60 pads na siya dito. Biodance Collagen Gel Toner Pads. And I love Biodance Facial Sheet Mask. Naubusan na lang ako. So, yan. Maganda to. Next is Dimple Band Hydrocolloid Acne Patch. So, ganyan siya. Below. And ganyan. May lalabas na sa isang patch. Saka mo lalagay mo dito. Ganyan. Tipid na to kasi 150 something. Then, 70 patches na siya. Sa isang ganito. 70 acne patch na yung isang bilog for 160 or 170 pesos. So, you can buy this sa Shopee. Next is The Ordinary Rose Hip Seed Oil. So, every night, maglagay ka lang sa mga spots, brown spots, and sunspots. And you'll see the difference after using this rose hip seed oil. Organic cold press siya ng The Ordinary. Yan. For sunspots, dark spots, acne marks. Next beauty product is this Bouncia Liquid Soap. Sobrang smooth ng skin after using this bath soap or bath liquid soap. Sobrang luxurious yung feeling every time na maliligo or every time I took shower with this Bouncia Liquid Soap. Super bango pa niya and super premium quality talaga to. And nakakaganda rin siya ng skin. Yan. Super holy grail ko din. Bath liquid soap. So, sinasabay ko tong Bouncia and this beauty soap na to. Made in Japan. And then, sinasabayan ko ng almond shower oil. Ayan. Magkasabay silang tatlo. And after kong maligo, talagang ang sarap-sarap ng feeling. Ang fresh and super smooth ng skin and super bango talaga. No dryness ever. Itong duo na to. Ang packet size ng almond shower oil. Sinasabay ko silang tatlo. So, yan. Best beauty products. Super, super, super. Super ganda sa skin. Next beauty products, best beauty products is Snail White. If I'm not using the Bouncia every other day, I use this Snail White Body Booster with SPF 30. Ayan. Nail Life. Next best product is this Myalgia Zudaifu. This one naman is for redness, itchiness, mga insect bites, and kahit sa fur babies, ginagamit namin to. Zudaifu. Nabibili to sa, you can buy this on Shopee or TikTok shop. Yan. Yan siya. Sobrang effective na itong green ointment na to sa pagpawala ng mga insect bites, redness, itchiness, irritation sa skin, and irritation sa skin. Ito, Zudaifu, yung ginagamit namin. And pwede rin siya sa fur babies. Mura lang to. You can buy on Shopee or TikTok. Best siya sa mga redness, itchiness, insect bites. Yan. Next best beauty products is Mary Todd Primer. Ayan. Mary Todd Primer. Before ka maglagay ng makeup, foundation, cushion, concealer, first, you can use this Mary Todd Primer. It conceals redness, dark spots, acne marks, and acne or pimples, redness. Nakahide niya yan. And nakahide din niya yung dull skin. Mga dull skin. And redness of face. Mary Todd. It's very nice. And one of the best beauty products. Primer. This is primer. Next beauty product is this La Plante from Baby Love. Baby Love din siya. La Plante Baby Love. It has bio needle, yung mga parang micro needle. Once na ilagay mo siya, ganyan siya. Yan. But once na ilagay mo siya, you can feel na parang may mga micro needle sa skin mo. It's firming and lifting. Marine Nature Energy. Yan. La Plante from Baby Love. La Plante from Baby Love. Try this. It has bio needle or micro needle for firming and lifting. Try this. Products or beauty supplements is this pure hyaluronic. Yan, inom siya. And this Vitanad NMN. This is Japan products, but you can also buy it from legit stores sa mga online shops. Iwas haggard or iwas stress skin. Yan. Pag tamad ka mag-apply, inom ka na lang. Neto. Japan product siya. So, yan. Madaming good reviews nito and one of best supplements. This Feminine Whip Foam. If mabango tayo outside, dapat mabango rin yung mga private area natin. May melon, may strawberry, and merong vanilla cookie. Yan. So, para fresh din yung private area natin. Yan. My favorite is this melon. If foam, meron na siyang kasamang spray. Yan. On the go spray. This melon again. And then, vanilla cookie and the strawberry. So, hindi lang dapat yung panglabas, yung mabango. Dapat mabango din yung private area natin. Next is THC vitamins. Skin booster to, lalo na kapag umiinom ka ng mga beauty supplements. Mabuboost niya yung mga iniinom mo. Skin booster, vitamin C. DHC. Yun. Next is Relumin Advanced White with vegetarian capsules. Ayan. If fan ka ng mga glutathione, this is one of the best gluta complex. Try this one. Next, Transino White Sea Premium. It's Japan product. Kung fan ka ng glutathione, again, take this gluta. It's premium, made from Japan. It's legit Japan product. So, it's a good gluta. White Sea. It's premium. Yan siya. One of the best gluta. And yung isa pa is this Relumins. Relumins vegetarian capsules. Ayan. Relumins and Transino White Sea Premium. Ayan yung mga, for me, best gluta capsules and tablets. Next is this MAC Eyelash Curler. I've been using this for 3 years and hindi pa siya nasisira kahit na ipatulog mo siya. Or basta, antibay niya. 3 years ko na siyang ginagamit, itong MAC. And talaga nakaka-curl din siya and matagal yung curl, nag-i-stay. Yan. This MAC is very good eyelash curler. And sobrang tibay. I've been using this for 3 years. And yan. Good pa din. Yan. Best product. Best beauty product. MAC Eyelash Curl. Pink Flush Setting Brow Wax. So, ito yung wax niya. So, yan. Pag ganyan, yan. So, yan. Parang ganyan siya, di ba? Laminated yung, parang laminated yung brows. And then, may brush na rin. So, gaganyan mo siya. And, yan. So, yeah. That's siya. And it's not expensive. Sobrang mura. Super mura. Super affordable. Super affordable na brow wax. Brow soap. With brush na. Ayan, with brush. by Pink Flush. Super affordable brow wax. Next is this Mary Todd eyebrow with eyeliner. This one is natural brown and this is black. Meron na siyang pang eyebrows. Yan. Here. Ayan, may pang eyebrows na siya. So, yan. May pang eyebrows. Mahaba yan. And meron na rin pang liner. Pang eyeliner. So, ayan, ginamit ko siya. Meron siyang pang eyeliner and pang eyebrows. And super fine niya lang. Super fine yung pang liner niya. Ang ganda talaga. And this is black. Ayan yung liner. Super fine. Super fine lang niya. And it's waterproof. Ito sa eyebrows. Ayan. It's Mary Todd. This one. Mary Todd. Next is this makeup remover, Centella Light Cleansing Oil, Skin 1004. It's made in Korea, made with pure Centella from Madagascar. It can remove even the waterproof mascara and eyeliner or eyebrow. If you're a fan of double cleansing, I suggest try to use this Centella cleansing oil from Skin 104. Try it. Try it. Ayan, bawas ko na kasi nga one of my favorite makeup remover. Very, very good. It's Cutie Berry. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa lahat ng mga i-upload ko pa in the future. I love you. Spread love, not hate. Love ya. Thank you for watching. Hi.